Welcome, it's Rainy Day Treasure Hunters, and living up to our namesake, it is definitely raining. Okay, we're at a park up here in the Pacific Northwest, and there's Larry over in the playground area, his favorites, looking for the gold and silver. Okay, this park has been here almost 100 years. And just recently inherited this back lot. Family donated it to the city, so I'm interested in trying out this back lot area. Okay, here we are once again from the Pacific Northwest, the boys of Rainy Day Treasure Hunters. Let's see if we can find some old coins or relics. Yeah, keep swinging, keep digging. Welcome back, Rainy Day Treasure Hunters. I'm out in that field that was just donated to the city and got this screaming hit down here. It's like a 28, and I dug it, and I think I hit it with the pinpointer, but I got me a silver spoon, and I don't know, it looks plated. But that is awesome. I don't see any markings on the back yet. Yep, there it is. So, let me see here. EPNS. EPNS Esquire with littler writing underneath it. I'll get back to you later on when I clean it up. All right, let's keep swinging, keep digging. Okay, well, I dig with the big boy, get me a nice 6-inch plug. Then I go in with the gasket scraper and I scraped this target. I don't know what it is, but I figure we dig it together. I don't know, it looks like maybe a keychain flashlight. It was a screaming signal though. Yeah, it's a little flashlight. There's a bulb. Hey, that's cool. Let's keep swinging, keep digging. Okay. So, about 4 inches down, 5 inches down, I got a 49 cap. Don't know what that is. That goes into the relic pouch, but always check your hole twice, because I got more targets down there. They were a couple inches deeper, so I'm digging them up with you, and I'm not sure what this is, but it looks like some kind of cool kid's toy. I wonder if it's a magnet. No, but it has a dial. See the dial on that? So that is a very cool find. I'm not sure what it is or what it's to. Definitely put it in the relic bag. But then I see what looks like the handle to a 38. toy revolver. And I don't know, but it looks like a pistol. Yeah, that is just wicked. It's the first firearm I've ever dug. All right, that sort of makes my day. All right, let's keep swinging and keep shooting. All right, rainy day treasure hunters. Trying not to say that as much. Dug up a nice big plug. This was all of 3 inches deep. I think it's a coin spill. There's a dime and a penny. Dime and a penny. Okay, let's keep swinging. Okay, so I popped out a 34 signal, and again, something silvery. It's a low number though. Thought we'd dig it together. And thought maybe a bullet casing, but nope, just an aluminum cap. Oh well. All right, target is in the plug. It's a 44-42 solid. So I thought we'd dig it together. Oh, look at that. Just a cap, but a shiny one of some sort. This might be a button. Yeah, this was a little shirt button. Not a cap. So that's cool. Whatever was on it is worn off. But it was reading in at a quarter signal. The pins rusted away. That's a button. Let's keep swinging. Okay, so got a nice signal here, and I just pulled the plug, and if you can see it here, I don't know what it is yet. Figure we'd dig it together. And I think it's just a hook. Huh. Thought it was maybe a dog tag or something, but I think it's just a hook. How we doing?
Doing good, bro digger.
All right. So here at almost 100-year-old park, and it is pounded, and we can feel it. Just clad and a hook. So, all right. I'm gonna go hit the picnic areas next. Okay, screaming signal. Solid 8. Right there. So let's give it a little dig right here. It's not very deep. And master of the sprinkler head. Okay. Sidewalk strips. Got a solid 44, 42. Thought we'd flip this plug. I've already stomped it. Whew. Let's see. Oh, still in the hole. Oh, look at this. We got us a penny. It's a WHEATIE. Got a WHEATIE. Let's see if it's got a WHEATIE.
Did you?
Yeah.
I found 2 dimes and 5 pennies, but oldest is a 60.
Yeah, mine's 67 over in the park. Let me see if I can get a date on this. Oh, so we're filming. If you could just hold that by the bottom, and let's get a date on my little WHEATIE. Most people are thinking a WHEATIE, big deal, but any guesses? Now remember, brother-in-law lives across the street, dug a 1920 penny in his yard, WHEATIE, 1926.
26.
Yeah, his house was built in 1920.
Congrats.
So this was all 6 inches deep in the sidewalk strip outside of a house across the street. So, WHEATIE.
Keep swinging.
Keep digging. Okay, doing a sidewalk strip here. Got permission from this house, and look at that. I just dug a buff Indian head nickel, and I am gonna see if it has a date. So I'm gonna spin the camera around like this. At this point, I don't see a date. So, again, I need to go clean it up. But we got a buffalo nickel. All right. Let's keep swinging, keep digging. Okay, 44 signal on all metal mode. It wouldn't register on the discrimination mode. And it said 6 inches deep, but that's weird. That all metal mode is the mighty, all powerful, that's for sure. Oh, it's in the plug. It has been since the 80s that I have dug a silver quarter. And, oh, it's a coin. Memorial. Oh well. Okay. So, I've been double checking the hole with the machine. Let's keep swinging, keep digging. All right, welcome back. I just popped a plug, and target is right there, so I thought we would dig it together. This was a 20s signal. Uh-oh. I feel it. Nail. No, that's a branch. Oh. I'm getting tired. Okay, so it's still in the target. Nice. Oh. Pop top. My nemesis. My cameraman is going to film. This is, what did I say it was?
38.
38 all day long. It's 4 inches. 2 to 4 inches. So, what did you say it could be?
Wheat cent, silver dime, or $10 gold piece.
Okay, you know what I wish? Okay, it's in the plug. It's a copper. It's a older copper, I think. No. Yeah, 1975.
So it was the penny.
D. What was the choices again?
I believe it was the penny, the silver dime, or the $10 gold.
Not a $10 gold piece, but a golden afternoon of digging, swinging and digging. All
Congratulations.
right? Well, you know, the buffalo nickel made my day.
That's the find of the day.
Yeah. All right. Keep swinging.
Keep digging.
Yeah. Okay. .38 and it's deep. Here.
Just so you know, you got the
I
red.
don't want you to film my best side. Carrie, it says I'm my ass, I am an ass. Oh. Alright, so. And it said it was deep. It wasn't kidding. No. Sometimes foil will do that. Just a penny. All right. Okay, welcome back. Okay, 6 inches deep, a 40 signal, and then I have a 30 signal repeater next to it. Could be some kind of coin spill. But I'm gonna go after the silver. Yeah. So it's in the plug. It's 4 inches deep. Oh, look at that. Finally, it is what it says it is. Okay, so it doesn't look like it's silver. Matter of fact, it's only a 1997, so 20 years old. Let's go get we'll check the hole and then we'll go get the next one. But see right here, Let's make sure it wasn't a coin spill. Make it look like we're not even there. Keep swinging.
Keep digging.
Yeah. Hey! Screaming signal right there, 6 inches deep. Right next to the other plug. Huh. Okay, so when we do this, go back to the machine, not in the plug. Says it's deep. Right here. Ha! Sure enough. Copper.
Well, you found it.
I think it says 1962. D. Hello. Well, let's do the wrap up here at Rainy Day Treasure Hunters up in Sumner. Come on over. Let me show you. We got another. Larry digs his daily car, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dimes, 4 quarters, handful of pennies. Awesome job. Today, 1927 Buffalo nickel. I love it. Let me get my pointer out. 1927 Buffalo nickel, and I pulled a 1926 WHEATIE. These were both off the sidewalk strips across the street from the park we were at. But at the park, I'm digging coppers, memorial pennies. 1962 is my oldest. A couple of 67s, a 69, 77 and 79. I got right here a smiley face button, but it's it's the plastic's pulling up on it, and just a bunch of doodads. Okay, I got my guy. I dug a silver spoon. It's plated. You'll see that. You saw that on the film. I just want to say, me and my buddy here from Rainy Day Treasure Hunters, He says, keep swinging, keep digging. I said, well done. He's waving bye-bye. Members, Larry, keep swinging.
Keep digging.
Yeah. And here's more for the wrap-up. I dug my first firearm, a little plastic .38 revolver, and a flashlight that had been buried quite a while. But this is the cool find right here. This says, if you can see it, Kodak. It's like a pocket automatic Eastman Kodak something, but there's a little dial on it and stuff. Just a cool little find. So I forgot these were in my relic bag, and I wanted to add them to the summary. From Rainy Day Treasure Hunters, I want to thank everybody in the group and wish all our members happy hunting. Keep swinging.
Keep digging.